the new Mudguard 2.0. We're explaining how to install that. And this is the lights. I'm going to be installing for stops lights, and also the turn light signal is going to be attached to each of my reservoirs suspensions. So first start removing the body. You don't want to work with the body on first. Remove the body, remove the seat. The seat is uses a 10 size 10 nut. Just remove 4 of them. So this is how it's gonna look. So I attach this by drilling 2 holes in here to the PVC plastic, and I'm using the light as a screw. So normally this goes on top, and this is how it is mounted by ONYX. So I'm using this as a screw holder. I'm gonna remove this. I've done it before. I don't have to explain how to do this. Just like drill 2 holes where it's sitting, and then pretty much it. So let me remove this and I explain you how I want to attach this. But before that, I did already my turning signal wiring. So I'm gonna split it, one here and the other one there. That's it. See now, I'm looking at all wiring. So I'm right now doing the left side, and based on this, it would be brown would be turning signal, black would be negative, and red would be red, and this would be your red, which is the blue. Now you stop. Okay, so I'm gonna hide all this cable and put the seat, the Mudguard, and we're done. So when we press brake, you have brake, and then activate it or brake. See that? Right and left, and I'm still using the stock right there, so that's gonna be my light too. Look, when you apply the brake with light up, and you do turning signal, still works. So I'm gonna do more research. I'm gonna put like a tiny stop LED here so people can see me better. Other than that, still perfect. I like this mud so far, so I'm not gonna get a dirty butt every time I go through mud. And working on it, I'm probably gonna lower a little bit more up to here because I still get splashed here, as you can see. Alright, so other than that, this is my mod for the turning signal 2020. Hopefully you like it, and don't forget, like and subscribe, guys. It's kind of cold. I'm working here. It's -6 degrees Celsius, or I think it's around 40 in Fahrenheit. Yeah, working here. My hands are cold, my nose is running, and hasta la vista.